Hey, so you think you know the periodic table? Let's check to see if you know some of the common features. This is Dr. B, and let's get started. Each time the arrow points to something, tell me what it is. That would be the S block, P block, D block, F block. Alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, halogens, noble gases. How'd that go for you? Do another lap if you need to. Okay, let's fill in these blanks on the table. Oxygen, is it a metal? No, it's to the right of the staircase, right there. Tungsten, W, left of the staircase, yes. Silicon, in the green region on the staircase, best answer is metalloid. What block we talking? For oxygen, P. For tungsten, D. For silicon, P. How many valence electrons? Well, on the periodic table that I give my students, it lists it directly, but you might know it from just the organization of the periodic table. Oxygen, 6. Tungsten, for this entire block, it's technically only 2 because of these s electrons, and then it goes in a shell for those. Silicon, 4. Charge, oxygen has 6, needs 2, so it'll go -2. Tungsten, 2 valence electrons, it'll probably lose those 2, but I think it's polyvalent due to the unfilled inner shells. Silicon, well, maybe it could form under drastic circumstances a +4 or a -4 ion, but it's far more likely to share electrons. What period are we in? Oxygen? I guess you got to know that period means row. This is one of the easiest questions because look at what row it's in. 2 for oxygen. Looks like group 6 for tungsten, somewhere in there. I think it's there. And silicon, group 3. Which is the largest? That would be the one closest to francium. And that's tungsten. Being right there is far closer than oxygen or silicon. Most electronegative, that's the closest to fluorine. Looks like oxygen's got that beat. And the most massive, well, they just read it like a book, so I suppose that means closest to oganesson, and that would be tungsten. Okay, and that's a little bit of the periodic table in terms of checking the features.